Hi crafters, it's me Suzanne back again, another Aliexpress die haul featuring these sets of dies, which is not many actually. Tag die, those primitive heart dies, and that lucky to know you die. All from Aliexpress. This tag, you're going to see it everywhere, even in a mini album. Do love it. It's a great size, about 5 inches, 5.5 inches tall. Here I was just playing with paper, trying to learn how to make tags, all these gorgeous tags I see on YouTube and on Instagram. Here I popped up the word lucky to know you on foam, and then I made a bow from my stash, and a little die cut piece up there that I added a piece, I think it's sequins and a pearl. Just trying to play, learning. Hope you like it too. I'm liking it. Here's another tag with the primitive hearts, all for Valentine's. And I stacked those 3 primitive hearts, and I also added a bow and a little flower, and then that's that sparkle scrubby, I think it's called scrubby sparkle yarn. Really, really cute little embellishment to finish off your projects. And this now I'm showing you is there's a scallop primitive heart, the outside in stitched primitive heart, and then that's the wonky stitched primitive heart. I'm going to list them all below, and I would get all 3 because these are super cute. A lot of crafters here on YouTube have made like those hearts for Christmas with gingerbread. This is my first time playing with it now for Valentine's, so learning along the way. Here I use that, I think is a Mama Elephant Impressions die that does that mermaid scale. And I popped everything up on foam for dimension. That's the primitive heart. And then that's a cute little bow. And I had cut the heart twice, and then I just decided to just layer it back. Here's another card, another Valentine's Day card, if you can't tell that it's Valentine's. And that's that wonky rectangle die that I featured the last time. Really, really cute. And outside here, I stacked 3 layers of hearts on each piece. So it's like cream to pink to glitter pink. And I put a little bow. I put some little, what do you call those dots? Little drop dots, or I can't remember what they call them. Enamel dots, I think it is, in the shape of a heart. Here now, this is my other card with kind of a minty color all popped up. And I found that love. That's like, oh, that's an old embellishment that was supposed to be used on a Kathy project, but I popped it out on this card. Give it to somebody. And look at that embossing folder that does those little bows on them. So cute. Yes, I'm having a bow moment. Everything has a bow on it. Wow. And hearts. And my tags. I hope you enjoyed this video because I am having fun. And I invite you guys to go to Aliexpress and get some of this great stuff and have fun with me. Especially that tag die. It's fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. That tag die comes with that square and that circle right there. So when you go onto the listing, if you're interested, you'll see them all there. But anyway, on to the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.